Now, the man responsible for the violence that broke out outside a local college in Kolkata, claiming the life of a policeman, is still at large. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in an attempt to deflect blame, has transferred the Kolkata Police Commissioner for inaction. Is the Commissioner being made a scapegoat in the middle of a larger political controversy?
I mean, there may be several reasons why a police commissioner is removed, but if he's removed for what happened the last few days, quite clearly there's something wrong and we need to look at it.
So would you be intervening?
That you leave to me.
Sir, another thing. Do you actually feel that the ruling party is actually capable to rule the state right now?
We are a democracy. We have an elected government, and the government is elected with a massive mandate. So I presume they should answer whether they're capable of running a government or not. The governor can't answer that. The governor will only act, doesn't talk.
Meanwhile, the opposition has stepped up its attack on the Chief Minister, questioning the state of law and order in the state.
The rise of Marxism in 1970s in West Bengal has made violence central to public discourse in West Bengal, in the state. And unfortunately, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, rather than reversing that regressive process, has only added to it. And the problem will not get solved because you change the police commissioner. The problem lies in the political culture of the state and the very fact that the chief minister and the principal opposition party, that is CPM, both endorse this culture of violence.
They have to show something to the people of Bengal that they are for justice and they are taking the right step for it. Whoever it might be, he might be a minister, he might be a worker, he might be a borough chairman. Whoever is there behind this incident, they should be taken into custody. And obviously, the government should take a proper step, a positive step. If the government is not taking the proper step or positive step, definitely we have to go ask a CBI inquiry for this.
Well, he is under the protection of the Trinamool leadership. A top TMC leader has in fact advised him to go underground, and all this is being done in complete knowledge of the police and the administration at the highest level. Who is the Home Minister? The Chief Minister is the Home Minister. And who is the Senior Minister? Mr. Firhad Hakim must be held accountable for anything and everything that has happened. And in fact, the Chief Minister should actually sack him. If he is not resigning, he should be sacked because he is the kingpin. It is on his advice that this councillor is absconding.
Minister himself is saying that till today that I don't think the culprit is culprit. And when governor is saying it's none of the business of the minister Firhad Hakim to protect the culprits or to say whose name should be there in the FIR or whose name should not be there in the FIR. And entire world has seen that how the minister was just misleading and misguiding the police force on the spot and blaming others, opposition parties, when his own henchmen were committing the crime. And now Chief Minister is saying, I have transferred the police commissioner because of the delay in taking action. So your minister has put the hindrance. He was delaying. He was forcing the police or influencing the police. So if any head has to be rolled, it should have been the ministers first.
Now, Surajit Kar Purkayastha has been made the new commissioner. He in fact spoke to the media yesterday night. Let's listen in.
জন্য আপনাদের সবার সহযোগিতা চাই ওইটা এখন বলছি না কিছু আমরা সহযোগিতা চাই আমরা আইনগতভাবে যা করার রুল অফ ল যাতে আমরা যাতে কলকাতার মানুষকে সেফ সিকিউর রাখতে পারি সেটা আপনি
দেখুন, মুখ্যমন্ত্রী নিজেই বলেছেন আইনের পথে চলবে, পুলিশ তার যথাযথ ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছে এবং সেই ব্যবস্থার অনুযায়ী যা করণীয় হবে সেই ব্যবস্থাই নেওয়া হবে। দেয়ার ইজ নো কোশ্চেন অফ প্রোটেক্ট এনিবডি। যা ঘটনা আছে সেই ঘটনার পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে যা হবে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বিস্তারিতভাবে বলেছেন এবং আইনের পথে চলবে। সে জায়গায় কোনো কাউকে প্রোটেক্টিভ মেজার দেওয়ার কোনো প্রশ্ন এখানে আসছে বলে আমরা জানি না। অলিক সমস্ত প্রশ্ন মিডিয়ার তরফ থেকে বিভিন্নভাবে তোলা হচ্ছে। মিডিয়া ক্রিয়েটেড জিনিসগুলোকে তো আমাদের আমল দেওয়ার কোনো প্রশ্ন নেই।